It's a pleasure to be here beside beautiful Lake Tillery to break ground on one of the most significant public water supply investments in North Carolina. The new Yadkin Regional Raw Water Intake and Pump Station on this site will serve the town of Norwood, Stanley County, and Union County. The construction of the Yadkin Regional Water Project is really in two phases. You have the raw water intake and raw water transmission line. The intake is located in the town of Norwood, North Carolina, on the shores of beautiful Lake Tillery. And then there's 32 miles of very large pipe that will bring raw water to this facility for treatment. And from here, there will be a series of finished water lines that will connect some with the existing infrastructure we already have in the ground to bring water to our residents.
And through our diligence and design, made this a project that the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission and Duke Energy could support.
The project is necessary because Union County does not have its own natural water source for drinking water. So we're having to find partnerships for water resources outside of the county. We have one in the Catawba area, and this will be a second partnership, which is coming out of Lake Tillery. So this project is not something that we dreamt up overnight. It took years of planning, years of engineering to get this to come to fruition.
Most of you probably know that Norwood is a little unique. Most places with our population and size do not own and operate a water and wastewater system. Before Norwood officially joined the Yadkin Regional Water Supply Project in 2013, we knew we had work to do to maintain our ability to draw water from the lake.
Based on what I've seen at the state level, they like to see synergies and working together across counties and groups coming together, because in the end, we are dealing with a natural resource that does belong to the citizens of North Carolina. It doesn't belong to Union County. It doesn't belong to Norwood or Stanley County.
In a state that surface area is almost 10% water, Union County happens to be situated between two rivers without a direct access to either one of them.
It's going to be an impact that my great-grandchildren are going to see here in Union County, because this is not a water source for a few years or even decades. This is a water source for upwards of 75 to 100 years.
This project is certainly a win-win-win for Lake Tillery, Stanley County, and Union County.
So it is our great pleasure to introduce to you the Yadkin Regional Water Supply Treatment Plant.